You don't need to break your bank before you can be able to eat good food. My people, is another beautiful day. Una know na, una get must chop. Oh yeah, now may we go inside my kitchen. We go make this delicious fish sauce and unripe plantain. Oh yeah, now let's dive into the video. Hello, good day, everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see already, we are making delicious fish sauce and unripe plantain. My people, now wait till una get one chop today. Now be this. I say make I bring her. Come make una see how I say make this my delicious fish sauce and unripe plantain. My people, you don't need to break a bank before you can eat good food. Sorry guys. So this one now, so now they see now just only 2 fish now I use. It don't finish with this my red bell pepper. Now it be the only thing when I use for this recipe when they see. So when they give a good vibe already, una see what I don't do for them now. Oh yeah, now more started to fry everything what we get for this recipe. Una see I already blend my red bell pepper. I can't put on for that my soya milk bag. Excuse all the water come out inside because I don't want to make my fish sauce they water. You understand? So after that one, my people, I can't put on my onions. Sorry, now onions is from start. No, I put my pot for fire. I can't add my groundnut oil. They can't pour my onions, my people. Then I can't add that my red bell pepper when I blend, when I squeeze all the water come on. So my people, this one and the plantain when we go come use to enjoy ourselves later. When we go use to eat the sauce when we they make. So now it be that one we now see. I just cook and the way we take the cook and for Africa that we not the peel and before we cook and so we take the cook and with the peel and everything. We go cook everything together. So but before you do that one, make sure say you wash your plantain very well. Me, I wash the plantain very well with salt before I cut and come put am for that pot to see. So all this one now when they see my people now the spices when I get for inside my kitchen now they pour inside one after the other. Now be waiting I just see for them. So we go cut on everything together now. So the sauce now is getting somewhere. Is almost readinable. Now we'll cut add our fish. More than enough so now see that head there. I dey like and well. So now me go chop her. I don't need to throw away her hair because now my money now take buy. Why I go they throw away the head of fish? When it be say that head of fish and you see that bone when they inside there, the way you go to the dry go be like say. I don't know as I want to explain now. If you they eat head of fish, you go know what's that they talk about a hen. So me, I know they throw where they eat my own. You understand? So we don't pour the fish inside. And after I don't remove all the bones when they inside because of my children, they come pour inside. They come add come top with this spinach one that they see. So if you don't see, don't watch this video. It me say you they enjoy that, but you know one follow, you know one like, you know why even share. I jokilo the way I do now. Oh yeah, now help a sister as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all. As soon as they supporting again, look at it. Our food is readinable. You don't need to waste time in your kitchen. Back, food is readinable, and you don't need to break your back as well. Look at it now. It's very simple and yummy. Everybody can do this. You understand? Oh yeah, now what do you guys think? Our plantain is ready. As you can see, look at it now. Very easy to peel. Oh yeah, now will you be giving this a try? If yes, please let me know on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.